Hello guys, today I'll be doing my Thanksgiving in the church today. I hope you guys will follow me because God have done it for me. It's not easy to wear this, and and God have already blessed me this small double blessing, so I need to go and give him a Thanksgiving offering and share some things to the children in the church. So let's go guys. Thank you. Let's go. I'm so happy, but I'm not going to wear this one though. I'm going to tie my hair tie. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So first will greet my friends for me. That is my friend. We are going to church. I invited her. Yeah, I don't sense. That is our shit. They see the people. So you guys are seeing. Oh yeah. What my mama cannot do. He has done for me what my papa cannot do. He has done for me. Oh me woromia, oh me woromia, oh me woromia, oh me woromia. Ye malafui meremo me woromia. Ye daddy meremo me woromia. Like, I don't know how to start to praise the Lord because He's a wonderful God, omnipotent God. Like, finally, my Access account is don't arrive, like thing don't arrive, and oh my God, if you see this Access account, the thing is double. Like, one came and arrived the time I was NYC camp. I told my brother to go and collect it for me. Then yesterday they still call me again. Like, see it. They still call me again. I should come and collect another one. Like, see, double. I'm going to do the video special to tell you guys, like, my Access account pin. My Access account pin is finally arrived. Like, thank you guys for your support. God will bless you. And keep believe that even though your pin have not arrived, that's one day that your pin will come to you. And try to have the number of post office so that they will be contacting you. And have like 2 people as a friend. No, have their number. Sometimes you call them, chat to them, so that any gifts that come to your post office, you can get it quick and you can get the information, you know. So thank you guys for your support. I'm going to do this video. I will tell you guys the process, everything, the delay, you know. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. Like, I've done my Thanksgiving today. I've finally made it.